Welcome to RunSafe Security Minute, your fast pass to tackling tough cybersecurity questions. 1 minute, one expert, zero fluff.
What was causing instability in C SBOM generation on Windows, and how has RunSafe resolved it in the latest update?
The C and C++ SBOM generator operates by watching and reporting on all files that are read during compilation of a product. In order to do that, we previously relied on a third-party dependency that interacted with the system processes created by that build in a very specific order of events. Unfortunately, because of that specificity, we encountered a race condition where a child process could be created and finish its work before we ever recognized it or knew to report on it, resulting in lost data. In the latest update, we went through the effort of removing this limiting dependency in favor of some extra work on our end in order to see a system process the moment it's created before the process does any of its intended tasks. This ensures the best data quality for post-processing and enrichment of that final SBOM.